Introducing VersaLink, the titanium-built EDC powerhouse that transforms chaos into precision. In a world of compromise, size battles with function, strength fights simplicity, and ordinary tools fall short when you need them most. A scalpel-sharp blade ready for precision cuts, replaceable in seconds, always razor-ready, always reliable. A built-in screwdriver with magnetic bits, small, strong, and always at your command. A pry tool that's portable and safe to use, perfect for removing staples and opening boxes without damaging the contents inside. Keys stack like piano keys, silent, slim, and scratch-free. No more jingles, no more scratches. Perfect for everyday carry. Open modular design with endless possibilities. Customize and expand your setup to fit your needs. The perfect blend of form, function, and power. No compromises, no limits. This is VersaLink. Precision perfected. Are you ready? Back us now and get yours in April.